Every AI in the world had an opinion about this World Cup. Now the bracket is doing the talking, and the scoreboard is already getting messy. Like and subscribe. I cover AI stories like this every week, and this one is getting really good. Real quick, if you want to stay ahead of where AI and the real world collide, there's a free way to get on my list. Links right below. Now let's run the tape. In video 1, link in the description if you missed it, we asked Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok to predict the 2026 World Cup before a single ball was kicked. Champions, upsets, dark horses. Now we're in the round of 16, and it's time to see who actually knows football. Let's start with the one thing every single AI got right: Morocco. Claude called Morocco over the Netherlands. ChatGPT had Morocco as an upset. Gemini had Morocco. Grok had Morocco. All four of them looked at this bracket and said the Netherlands is going home. And on penalty kicks, in one of the most dramatic matches of the tournament, Morocco made every one of them look like a genius. That's a point on the board for everyone. But here's where it gets interesting. Claude predicted Brazil, Gemini's champion pick, would make an early exit. Brazil just beat Japan 2-1, and they're into the round of 16. So Claude is already bleeding points on its biggest upset call, and Gemini is sitting there looking very calm about its champion. Meanwhile, Spain crushed Austria 3-0 tonight. Claude's champion pick looked absolutely clinical. They now face Portugal in the round of 16 on Monday. Ronaldo scored his first ever World Cup knockout goal tonight, by the way, so that matchup has must-watch energy all over it. ChatGPT said the USA would make a deep run. Semifinals was the call. The USMNT beat Bosnia and Herzegovina 2-0, and they're now facing Belgium on Monday. That's not a result yet, that's a promise. We'll find out Monday night whether ChatGPT's most ambitious prediction has legs. And nobody, not Claude, not ChatGPT, not Gemini, not Grok, had Paraguay beating Germany on penalty kicks. Germany is out. The biggest upset of the tournament so far, and every AI model missed it completely. The bracket humbles everyone eventually. Here's what the next 72 hours looks like, and this is where the predictions really get tested. Claude said Mexico stuns England. That match is Sunday night. Gemini's champion Brazil faces Norway also on Sunday. France, the pick from both ChatGPT and Grok to win it all, plays Paraguay on Saturday. 3 matches, 3 AI predictions on the line. I'll be watching all of them. The final results video drops when this tournament wraps. We'll crown a winner, settle the debate, and find out which AI you should trust with your bracket next time. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And drop a comment right now. Whose prediction are you backing? Morocco already made everyone look smart. But the bracket doesn't forgive mistakes for long, and somebody is about to get exposed.